First time welding and your MIG weld looks all bubbly and bumpy? You're probably wondering what's going wrong and how to fix that shaky, patchy mess. Alright, so here's the deal. First off, make sure your gas flow rate is right, too low, and you get those bubbles or porosity, too high and you blow your weld away. For a 75-25 argon and carbon dioxide mix on thin 20-gauge sheet metal, aim for about 16 to 20 cubic feet per hour on your flow meter. Next, double check your voltage and wire speed settings. If your welds look cold and weak with no penetration, the voltage might be too low or your wire speed too slow. Also, confirm that the gas tank valve is fully open and the regulator's brass knob is adjusted properly to let enough gas through. Don't forget to clean your metal surface before welding. Any dirt or rust can mess with the arc. Grounding is super important too. If your house wiring is old or unstable, it could cause your arc to sputter, so try to use a good ground clamp on clean metal. Lastly, practice striking the arc smoothly. You want a steady arc sound and look, not popping or sputtering. Keep your gun angle around 75 degrees and move at a consistent speed to get a smooth bead. One of the biggest issues beginners face with MIG welding is porosity caused by incorrect gas flow or contamination. Fix it by adjusting your flow meter to that sweet spot, usually 16 to 20 cubic feet per hour, and cleaning your metal well. Another common problem is lack of penetration because voltage settings are off or wire speed is too slow. Bump those up gradually until you see a strong, clean weld bead. Thirdly, people often forget about grounding or have unstable power sources, which makes the arc inconsistent or impossible to maintain. Secure a solid ground connection and avoid welding on questionable wiring circuits. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who know their stuff and get the job done right without hassle. For contractors, it's a solid way to connect with people looking for reliable pros and grow their business easily.